Hello everyone. Today I am going to teach you another unit and that is Taro's reward. So let's get start. Open your textbook. Unit number 3. A young woodcutter named Taro lived with his mother and father on a lonely hillside. All day long he chopped wood in the forest. Though he worked hard, he earned very little money. One young boy named Taro was living with his mother and father at the hillside. जो पहाड़ी प्रदेश होते हैं वहाँ पे वो रह रहे थे. And the work he is doing is chopping the wood in the forest. He worked very hard but he earned very little money. वो काम कर रहे थे बट उनको उतने पैसे नहीं मिल रहे थे उनके काम के हिसाब से. This made him very sad. For he was thoughtful son and wanted to give his old parents everything they needed. So this thing made him sad कि वो काम कर रहे पर उनको पैसे नहीं मिल रहे. वो बहुत ही उनको sad कर रहे थे. But as his son, he has that wish that his old parents, whatever they need, his only wish is to provide them these things. Okay, उनको वो parents को उनकी हर wish पूरी करना ये तारो की wish थी. One evening when Taro and his parents were sitting in the corner of their hut, a strong wind began to blow. It whistled through the cracks of the hut and everyone felt very cold. Suddenly, Taro's father said, "I wish I had a cup of shake. It would warm me and do my old heart good." Now what happened? One evening when they all are sitting at that hut, at that time a strong wind started to blow. है ना, बहुत ही ज़ोर से हवा चल रही थी और just because of that wind everyone feels very cold. So the father of the Taro said that I wish I had a cup of shake. What is the wish of his father? To have a cup of shake. Why? Because he thought that shake would warm him and do his old heart good. This made Taro sadder than ever, for the heart-warming drink called shake was very expensive. How do I earn more money? He asked himself. How do I get a little shake for my poor old father? He decided to work harder than before. Now, as the father wished is to have a cup of shake, okay. So the Taro think that it's very much expensive, okay, and he don't have that much of money to buy. So what he decided? He decided to work very hard. जो पहले कर रहे थे उनसे ज़्यादा हार्ड वर्क करने का उसने सोचा. Next morning, Taro jumped out of bed earlier than as usual and made his way to the forest. He chopped and cut as the sun climbed. As soon he was so warm that he had to take off his jacket. His mouth was dry and his face was wet with sweat. My poor old father, he thought, if only he was as warm as I. And with that he began to chop even faster. Thinking of the extra money he must earn to buy the shake to warm the old man's bones. Now what happened? As he decided to work hard, so next morning he went up earlier from the bed. और जो वो काम कर रहे थे उससे जल्दी उन्होंने और उससे फास्ट उन्होंने काम करना स्टार्ट किया. बट बिकॉज ऑफ द सन, बिकॉज ऑफ द हॉट समर, उनका फेस जो था वो पूरा ड्राई हो चुका था, उनके पास पानी नहीं था. बट अगेन व्हेन ही थॉट ऑफ हिज फादर, सो उनके फादर के बारे में सोच के ही उन्होंने काम अपना बिना रुकावट के करना चालू ही रखा, कंटिन्यू ही रखा. Then suddenly Taro stopped chopping. What was that sound? When he was walking in the forest, at that time suddenly he stopped chopping the wood because he heard some kind of noise, right? What was the sound he heard? उसने जो sound सुना वो क्या था? Could it be possible be rushing water? Taro could not remember ever seeing or hearing a rushing stream in that part of the forest. He was thirsty. The axe dropped out of his hands and he ran in the direction of that sound. Now, as he felt very thirsty, okay, so at that time he heard some kind of noise and the voice is rushing stream. जो पानी बहता है, जो पानी का झरना होता है, वहाँ से एक अलग ही किस्म की अलग ही टाइप की आवाज़ आती है. सो व्हेन द तारो हर्ड दैट वॉइस, सो व्हाट ही डिड, उसने वो आवाज़ का पीछा करना ट्राई किया. आवाज़ जिस साइड से आ रही थी उस साइड जाना स्टार्ट किया. तारो saw a beautiful little waterfall hidden behind a rock. Kneeling at a place where the water flowed quietly, he chewed a little in his hands and put it to his lips. Was it water or was it a shake? He tasted it again and always it was a delicious shake instead of cold water. Now when Taro went that place, at that time when he tasted that water, so he thought that was it a water or is it shake? So वो शेक है कि वाटर है, वो फाइंड आउट करने के लिए वो अगेन एंड अगेन वो क्या करने लगा, टेस्ट करने लगा. देन एट द लास्ट ही केम टू नो दैट इट्स अ डिलीशियस शेक इंस्टेड ऑफ अ वाटर. वो क्या था, शेक था. सो व्हाट ही डिड, द ओल्ड मैन वॉज डिलाइटेड विद द शेक. सो उन्होंने क्या किया, वो बहुत ही दौड़ के, अगर हमें कुछ चीज़ मिल जाती है ना, तारो क्विकली फिल्ड द पिक्चर एंड हैड विथ हिम एंड हरीड एट होम. उसने क्या किया, हमें कुछ चाहिए होता है वो मिलता है, अगर हम बहुत ही प्यास लगी और हमें पानी मिल जाए तो हम बॉटल फिल कर लेते हैं ना. सो इसी तरीके से उनको शेक चाहिए हुआ था अपने फादर के लिए, तो उन्होंने वो शेक पैक करके वो जल्दी बहुत ही फास्टली अपने घर पे पहुंच गए. क्यों, बिकॉज टू गिव इट to his father. Okay, so that afternoon a neighbor stopped by for a visit. Taro's father politely offered her a cup of shake. The lady drank it greedily and thanked that old man. Then Taro told her the story of the magic waterfall. Thanking them for the delicious drink, she left in a hurry. By nightfall, she had spread the story throughout the whole village. Now, one lady visited Taro's house, and at that time, Taro's father offered her a shake, a cup of shake. Okay, and after drinking that shake, that lady thanked Taro's and his family. So Taro shared the story of this magic waterfall to that lady. Now, by drinking that shake, the lady left that house in a very hurry manner. Okay, बहुत ही जल्दबाजी में उन्होंने वो घर छोड़ दिया. एंड एट द नाइट फॉल, रात को वो जो मैजिक वाटरफॉल की स्टोरी थी वो लेडी ने पूरे विलेज में स्प्रेड कर दी. That evening there was a long procession of visitors to that woodcutter's house. Each man heard the story of the waterfall and looked a sip of the shake. In less than an hour, the pitcher was empty. So what happened when everyone heard the story? They started visiting Taro's house just because of taste that shake. Next morning, Taro started for work even earlier than that morning before. He carried with him the largest pitcher he owned, for he intended first of all to go to the waterfall. When he reached it, he found to his great surprise all his neighbors there. है ना, क्योंकि सबको पता लग गया था कि यहाँ पे मैजिक वाटरफॉल है, यहाँ पे ये मिल रहा है शेक. सो नेक्स्ट मॉर्निंग जब तारो वहाँ पहुँचे, उससे पहले उनके नेबर्स जो थे वो वहाँ पे पहुँच गए थे. दे वर कैरिंग पिचर्स, जैर्स, बकेट्स, एनीथिंग दे कुड फाइंड टू होल्ड द मैजिक शेक. देन वन विलेजर necked and had his mouth under the waterfall to drink. He drank again and then shouted angrily, water, nothing but water. Others also tried, but there was no shake, only cold water. Now what happened? One neighbor was there and उसने क्या किया? इंस्टेड ऑफ फिलिंग बॉटल्स और बकेट्स उसने अपना माउथ ही वहाँ पे रख दिया वाटरफॉल के नज़दीक. और जब वो ड्रिंक कर रहा था, जब वो पी रहा था, तो उसने बहुत ही एंग्री मैनर में शाउट किया, बहुत ही ज़ोर से चिल्लाया. क्या? वाटर, नथिंग बट वाटर. ये क्या है? पानी है, शेक नहीं है. सो व्हाट हैपेंड नेक्स्ट? लेट्स सी. We have been tricked, shouted the villagers. Where is Taro? Let us drown him in this waterfall. But Taro had been wise enough to slip behind a rock. When he saw how things were going, he was nowhere to be found. So what happened? The angry people, the crowdy people was very angry. And वो क्या कह रहे थे? कहाँ है तारो? कहाँ है तारो? उनको ला, उनको ये वाटरफॉल में डाल दे. क्यों? बिकॉज उनको लगता है कि तारो ने उनको गलत इन्फॉर्मेशन दी कि ये वाटरफॉल में से क्या वो निकल रहा है? शेक. बट उन लोगों को तो शेक मिला नहीं, है ना. बट तारो ने देखा कि यहाँ क्या हो रहा है, सो उन्होंने खुद को कहीं छुपा दिया. Muttering their anger and disappointment, the villagers left the place one by one. Taro came out from his hiding place. Was it true? He wondered. Was the shake a dream? Once more, he caught a little liquid in his hand and put it to his lips. It was a shake, fine shake. To the thoughtful son, the magic waterfall gave the delicious shake to everyone else. It gave only cold water. Now again, Taro thought that कि ये सही में ऐसा हुआ है, सबको वाटर ही मिला है. So again he went to that place and again he started tasting that shake. तो उन्होंने वो थोड़ा अपने हाथ में लिया लिक्विड और अपने लिप्स पे रखा. And again he came to know that yes, it's a delicious shake, fine shake. So ये किसके लिए हुआ? Just because of that sun, है ना. ये शेक किससे मिल रहा था? सिर्फ तारो को ही मिल रहा था, सबको नहीं मिल रहा था. Because he worked hard, he worked for his father, that is why he got. The story of Taro and his magic waterfall reached the empire of Japan. He sent for the young woodcutter and rewarded him with the 20 pieces of gold for having been so good and kind. Then he named the most beautiful fountain in the city after Taro. This, said the emperor, was encourage all children to honor and obey their parents. So why this thing happened? Because Taro encouraged and honor and obey his parents. उसने अपने लिए वो शेक लिया नहीं, वो अपने पेरेंट्स को देना चाहता था, अपने पेरेंट्स को ऑबे होना चाहता था, अपने पेरेंट्स के लिए उसने ये सोचा. That is why one emperor of Japan gave him a 20 pieces of gold for having been good and kind. उनकी बिहेवियर की वजह से उनको जापान के जो राजा थे उन्होंने 20 pieces of gold दिया, है ना. And this magic happened just because of his behavior only. So this is the story. I hope you understood it very well. We will meet in our next class. See you soon. Thank you.